Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Mrs. English. I am very happy you are here today. This is a safe place. This is a friendly place. Here we learn English slowly, clearly, and happily. Today we are going to talk about something very important. Do not worry. Do not feel scared. We are learning together.
Hello, everyone. It is great to be here with you, Mrs. English.
Hello, Tom. I am glad you are here. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling good, but honestly, I am a little bit nervous about our topic today.
Nervous. That is a very normal feeling. Tell me, Tom, why are you nervous?
Well, today we are talking about confidence, how to speak English confidently. And sometimes I do not feel very confident. Sometimes I feel shy. I am afraid I will make a mistake.
Tom, thank you for being honest. Thank you for telling the truth. I think many of our friends listening right now feel the same way. They listen to English, they understand English, but when it is time to speak, they freeze.
Yes, exactly. Freeze. That is the perfect word. My brain stops working, my mouth goes dry, I forget words that I know very well.
This is what we call the fear barrier. It is like a wall. Today we are going to break down that wall. We are going to take it apart, brick by brick. By the end of this podcast, I want you and all our friends listening to feel stronger. Are you ready, Tom?
I am ready. Let's break the wall.
Wonderful. Let us begin with the first secret. It is a change in your mind, a change in how you think. Tom, what is the biggest reason you are scared to speak?
I think I am scared of people judging me. I am scared they will think my English is bad or that I am not smart.
Judgment, yes. We think other people are like police officers. We think they are waiting to catch us making a mistake. But my dear friends, listen closely. This is the secret. Most people are not thinking about your grammar. Most people only want to understand your message.
Really? But what if I use the wrong verb tense? What if I say he go instead of he goes?
If you say he go to the store, does the other person understand you?
Yes, they know I mean he is going to the store.
Exactly. Communication is the goal. Perfection is not the goal. When you speak your native language, do you speak perfectly 100% of the time?
No, actually, I make mistakes in my own language too. I stutter or I use the wrong word sometimes.
See, we must be kind to ourselves. Friends, repeat this after me. Wherever you are, in the car, in the kitchen, on the bus, say this in your head or out loud. My mistakes are my friends.
My mistakes are my friends. That sounds strange, Mrs. English.
It does sound strange, but think about a baby. When a baby learns to walk, they fall down. Does the baby say, "Oh no, I am so embarrassed, I will never walk again"?
No, the baby just stands up and tries again.
Be like the baby. Every mistake is a lesson. If you make a mistake, it means you are trying. If you are silent, you are not learning. So step one for confidence, accept that you will make mistakes. Embrace them. Love them.
Okay, I will try to love my mistakes. I will try not to be a perfectionist.
Good. Now let us move to step 2. This is a practical tip, something you can do with your body and your voice. Tom, when you are nervous, do you speak fast or slow?
Oh, I speak very fast. I want to finish the sentence quickly so I can run away.
Yes, we rush, we run, but speed kills confidence. When you speak too fast, your brain does not have time to find the right words. You stumble. You say, and then you feel panic.
So I should slow down?
Yes, much slower than you think. Listen to how I am speaking right now. I am taking my time. I am pronouncing every sound. When you speak slowly, you sound more intelligent. You sound more in control.
But Mrs. English, if I speak slowly, won't people get bored? Won't they think I am slow in the head?
Not at all. Think about the most powerful people in movies or politics. Do they rush? No, they speak slowly. They pause. Silence is powerful. Let us practice. Tom, I want you to introduce yourself, but do it very fast.
Okay. Hello, my name is Tom. I like learning English, and I am from the city.
Okay, I understood you, but you sounded nervous. Now take a deep breath. Pause. Introduce yourself again, but imagine you are a king. Speak slowly.
All right. Hello, my name is Tom. I like learning English, and I am from the city.
Wow, that was completely different.
I felt different. I had time to think about the next word before I said it.
Exactly. Friends, give yourself the gift of time. Slow down. It is not a race. There is no prize for finishing the sentence first.
That is a great tip. Slow down. Okay, what is step 3?
Step 3 is about volume, the loudness of your voice. When we are shy, we whisper, we mumble. We look at the floor and speak to our shoes.
I do that. I think, if I speak quietly, nobody will hear my mistakes.
But if you speak quietly, people will say, "What? Pardon? Can you repeat that?" And when they ask you to repeat, you feel like you failed. You feel like your English is bad.
Yes, that happens to me all the time. I say something, they say what, and I lose all my confidence.
Usually, they say what not because your grammar is bad, but because they simply cannot hear you. You must project your voice. Speak to the person across the room, not the person in front of you.
So, loud and proud?
Loud and proud. Even if you are saying the wrong word, say it loudly. It shows confidence. People believe confident people. If you say, "I go to the store," with a loud, strong voice, people will understand you and keep talking. If you whisper, "I went to the store," they might not hear you at all.
Okay, so 1, mistakes are friends. 2, slow down. 3, speak up.
Perfect. You are learning fast, Tom. Now I want to talk about simplicity. This is step 4.
Simplicity? You mean keeping things simple?
Yes. Many students try to translate their native language directly into English. In your head, you have a beautiful, complex, long sentence. You want to sound like a philosopher, but your English vocabulary is not ready for that yet, so you get stuck.
I do this. I try to tell a story and I get stuck looking for a very specific word, like enthusiastic. If I can't remember enthusiastic, I stop talking.
And that silence creates fear. If you cannot remember enthusiastic, what is a simpler word you can use, Tom?
Happy or excited?
Yes, happy or excited. It is not the exact same meaning, but it keeps the conversation moving. Do not let one hard word stop your whole story. Use simple words, short sentences. Subject, verb, object. I am happy. I went home. It was good. Simple is safe. Simple is strong. You are not writing a book. You are speaking. Keep it simple. As you get more confident, you can add harder words. But to start, keep it easy. Now, my friends, we are going to do something special. We are going to do a role play, a practice situation. Oh boy. Okay, what is the situation? Imagine you are at a coffee shop. You are in London or New York. You need to order a coffee, but you are nervous. I want you to try it 2 times. First, do it the nervous way, then do it the Mrs. English way.
Okay, I am ready. You are the barista, the coffee shop worker?
Yes, I am the barista. Next, please. Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, sorry, I want, do you have the coffee with milk? Small, please? Sorry.
I can't hear you, sir. A small what?
A latte, small latte, sorry.
Okay, a small latte. Anything else? No, thanks. Okay, stop, cut. Tom, how did that feel? Terrible. I felt small. I felt like I was bothering you. I apologized twice. Yes, you said sorry for no reason. You have the right to be there. You are a customer. You do not need to apologize for ordering coffee. Now let us try again. Remember, posture straight, shoulders back, smile. Speak slowly, speak loudly, keep it simple. Okay, I take a deep breath.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I am good. I would like a small latte, please, with milk.
Sure thing. A small latte.
For here or to go? To go, please. Thank you. Wonderful, Tom. That was excellent. I felt much better. I started with, "Hello, how are you?" It gave me a second to calm down. Yes, that is a great trick. Social scripts. "Hello, how are you?" is automatic. It helps your brain warm up. And you spoke clearly. You didn't rush.
And I didn't say sorry.
No, you did not. You have nothing to be sorry for. You are learning a language. That is a brave thing. That is a hard thing. You should be proud, not sorry.
Mrs. English, can I ask you a personal question?
Of course, Tom. Were you ever scared to speak? Oh, absolutely. When I was learning a second language, I was terrified. I remember one time I walked into a shop to buy bread and I forgot the word for bread. I stood there for 10 seconds, silence. My face turned red. What did you do? I pointed and I smiled, and the shopkeeper smiled and gave me the bread. I survived. The world did not end. That is when I learned that it is okay to be imperfect.
Thank you for sharing that. It helps to know that even you, Mrs. English, get nervous.
We are all human. We all have feelings.
but we cannot let fear stop us from connecting with each other. English is a bridge. It connects you to the world. Do not be afraid to walk on the bridge, even if you wobble a little bit.
I feel ready to walk on the bridge.
I am so happy to hear that. Let us review what we learned today. Tom, can you summarize our main points for our friends?
Sure. 1. Mistakes are my friends. Do not fear judgment. 2. Slow down. Give yourself time to think. 3. Speak up, loud and proud. 4. Simplicity. Use simple words if you forget the hard ones. 5. Body language. Stand tall and smile.
Beautiful. That is a perfect summary.
And also, don't say sorry for learning.
Yes, never apologize for trying to improve yourself. My dear friends, we are coming to the end of our time today. I want you to try one small thing this week, just one small challenge.
What is the challenge?
I want you to speak English to one person. It can be a stranger, a friend, or even a voice message on your phone. But try to use our tips. Speak slowly, speak loudly,